Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Padhas in Vedic astrology. This is a video associated with Padhas and what is the physical significance of Padhas in the Vedic astrology. But this video does not contain the importance of the Padhas or the how to interpret Padhas and what is the use of Padhas in the Vedic astrology. Before going into the details of the Padhas, I would like to revisit some of the things which we already discussed in the previous videos. One was associated with the Nakshatras, Rashis, and the moon placement. So the Nakshatras are the sub-components or the sub-parts of the Rashis. So looking at this moment, this is the earth and this is moon is circling around the earth. I have showed it as a circular rotation of moon with respect to earth, but in reality the moon is not rotating in a circular fashion, it is in elliptical fashion. One more fact is that the moon rotates around itself, and earth also rotates about itself. Both planets are rotating about itself. Moon to complete one rotation from starting from any point to the same point, it takes 27 days and 27.3 to 22 days to complete one moon cycle. And because of that, basically based on that particular calculations, there are nakshatras which have been decided. Before go into the nakshatras, first I will talk about the rashis. So there are 12 rashis and each rashi is 30 degree long, and there are total 12 rashis, so total 360 degrees are being covered with 12 rashis. Now the nakshatras are the subcomponents of the rashis. As you see, the colored ones are the rashis, and the red lines which are being shown here are the nakshatras. The nakshatras are 30 degree and 20 minutes long, whereas rashi is 30 degree. So based on that, there would be three nakshatras would be there, or three lunar mansions in a one particular rashi. There would be variation in terms of how much part would be in one rashi and how much part would be in another rashi. Like for example, the Aries has the Kritika, which is a little piece of it, but whereas the larger part of it remains in the Taurus. So looking at this, if you see, the Rohini Nakshatra, Kritika Nakshatra spans across the Aries to Taurus. So this is because the angle is 13 degree and 20 minutes between for this one nakshatra. Now the Padhas are the subcomponents of the rashis, subcomponents of the nakshatras. And when I'm saying subcomponents of nakshatra, that does mean that the nakshatras are being again divided into subcomponents. So to start with, again, rashis are 30 degrees long, nakshatras 13 degrees 20 minutes, and then padhas. These padhas are each padha is 3 degree and 20 minutes long. So because of that, every nakshatra here, this is a one nakshatra, this is another nakshatra. Every nakshatra is being separated into 4 padhas. This is padha 1, padha 2, padha 3, and padha 4. Again, this is the another nakshatra, and the padhas are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then again it starts from another nakshatra. So this is the way every nakshatra is being divided into 4 padhas. Now if we look at the total number of padhas, the total number of padhas are 108 padhas. So 108 meaning there are 27 lunar mansions which are being considered in Indian astrology, and each nakshatra or the each lunar mansion has 4 padhas, so altogether 108 is the number. The 108 number is very auspicious number, or the considered to be an important number in Vedic astrology as well as in Hindu teachings. In Hindu teachings, whenever you purchase Rudraksha, and these are for this meditation or for the sadhana, you will find that particular Rudraksha has 108 numbers of it, and they use it for the well-being of an individual. So there are multiple aspects of it. I will not go into the details of those aspects in this video, but in future we will cover it. So every they call it as a mala, or it is a garland, and in that garland there would be 108 Rudrakshas, and this is 108 Rudrakshas is very important number, and this is coming out from this particular calculation. In reality, even in Hindu teachings, it has been mentioned that there are 28 lunar mansions, but for the calculation of the Vedic astrology there are only 27. One nakshatra which is missing, that's called as Abhijit nakshatra, and it was being intentionally removed from this particular calculation, and the reason we will discuss in the later videos. I will make a separate video on the Abhijit nakshatra and the importance of the Abhijit nakshatra. So coming back to the padhas, each padha is 3 degree 20 minutes long. So because of that, there would be total, when we say the number of Rashis, the number of padhas in a Rashis, there would be total 9 padhas in one Rashi. So Aries will have 9 padhas, Taurus will have 9, Gemini will have 9, and so on and so forth. So every zodiac sign will have 9 padhas. Each zodiac sign contains 2.5 nakshatra. I will not say half, but approximately half or lesser than half. So this is the one nakshatra which is 13 degrees 20 minutes, again 13 degrees 20 minutes, and again 13 degrees 20 minutes. And the padhas give the importance of the padhas is that it gives the strength to the moon, and based on the which padha this particular moon is available, and based on that the calculations of the strength of the moon and prediction associated with the Vedic, associated with the birth chart are being taken care. So this is in general about what padhas are in the Vedic astrology. We will look after the how to interpret and how to use these padhas in future videos. Thank you for watching my videos.